Hello friends, I am Bharti Shinde, working as lecturer in Praveen Patil Polytechnic College. We have seen first method of drawing ellipse, which is the arcs of circle method. Now we will see second method. It is called as concentric circle method or two circle method. Let us take example. The foci of ellipse are 90 mm apart. The minor axis is 70 mm long. Determine the length of major axis and draw ellipse by concentric circle or two circle method. First we have to draw major axis, but given is foci of ellipse as 90 mm. So first draw foci of ellipse as 90 mm. And center point as O. So 90 mm distance is given for foci. So this is point F1 and this is point F2. This is center point O. Now given minor axis as 70 mm. So draw minor axis 70 mm from point O. And give name it as C and D. So this is minor axis. Then take CF1 as radius, CF1 as radius and O as center, and draw the arc on this side and on this F2 side also. Extend this line and we have got this point as A and this point as B, which is the major axis of ellipse. So AB is major axis and CD is minor axis. Then take OC as radius and draw a circle, as it is a two circle method. So first circle draw through the points C and D. Then take OA as radius and draw second circle. Then divide this major axis circle into 12 parts. So 30, 60, 30, 60. And draw these lines for different angles going through this point O. Extend this minor axis CD. Give name. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Now these lines touching the minor axis circle and give its name as 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash, this is 7 dash, 8 dash, 9 dash, 10 dash, 11 dash and 12 dash. Then from these points, that is point 2, point 3, point 5, 6, 8, 9 and 11 and 12, draw vertical lines parallel to this minor axis. Draw parallel line to the minor axis from 2, 3, from 12 and from 11. Then draw horizontal line parallel to the major axis from points 2 dash, 3 dash, etc. So from 2 dash, from 3 dash, from 11 dash, from 12 dash, we have got point C, 2 dash, this is point, so we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 points. Now remaining points we will draw with the help of same method. So again draw parallel to the minor axis from point 5, 6, 8 and 9. Then draw horizontal line parallel to the major axis from points 5 dash, 9 dash and from 6 dash and 8 dash. So we have got 4 points. Now we have got all the points. Next task is to draw the ellipse with the help of French curve. I will start from point D. So join D to point this. Then draw this point up to point A. Then again join A to C by taking these various points in between. Now join B point to D point by taking various points in between. And in this way we have drawn the complete curve by concentric circle or two circle method.